Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom.
Careful the things you say.
Lived a young maiden.
Children will listen.
Sad young lad.
Careful the things you do.
A childless baby.
Children will see.
And his wife.
And learn. Children may not obey, but children will listen. Children will look to you for which way to turn to learn what to be. Careful before you say, listen to me. Children will listen. Careful the wish you make. Wishes are children. Careful the path they take. Wishes come true, not free. Careful the spell you cast, not just on children. Sometimes the spell may last past what you can see and turn against